Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to PC Error Detective, your go-to channel for all things troubleshooting and optimization. Today, we're diving into how to update audio drivers Windows 10. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more helpful guides like this one. Step 1. First things first, let's navigate to Device Manager. Simply right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Step 2. Once you're in Device Manager, look for the category labeled Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Here, Windows will display the hardware associated with your computer's audio chip. Step 3. Now, it's time to update those drivers. Double-click on the audio entry within the list, then switch over to the Driver tab. From there, click on Update Driver. Step 4. When prompted, select Search automatically for updated driver software. And just like that, you're all set. Your audio drivers are now up to date and ready to rock. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.